All base metal prices on the London Metal Exchange are mainly up today, with the only exception of copper being down by 1%, as the investors are waiting for details from the Federal Reserve meeting that could shift expectations for the US monetary policy. Wider markets, meanwhile, calmed after days of turmoil emanating from China, with global stock markets, the dollar and also the yuan steadying. The benchmark copper price on the LME, the 3-month contract, was down by 1% at 5 p.m., around $9,690 a ton, after it reached on Tuesday a level of $9,924. It was the highest since June 15. Copper rose, as we all know, to a record high of $10,747.50 in May. It is up around 25% this year after rising 26% last year, with some analysts saying that strong demand and tight supply could push the price even further higher. Robin Barr, the analyst, said the super cycle is alive and kicking, hasn't gone away, isn't dead, and therefore you want to buy the dips. He also says the fly in the ointment is if the Fed starts talking about tapering to begin next year, but all actually the underlying themes are bullish. Quite interesting also that the Reuters poll of 23 analysts returned right now a median forecast for copper by an average of $9,000 a ton in the fourth quarter. As I said, all eyes on the financial markets are today on the Federal Reserve meeting. A statement is due at around 6 o'clock, with a news conference by Chairman Jerome Powell expected half an hour later. Regarding the demand in China, demand for commodities, the biggest consumer is definitely China of all raw materials, will likely slow in the second half of this year, but copper demand should remain strong due to subsidies for offshore wind projects. That's what the consultancy company Wood Mackenzie said today. Small look also on the LME stocks. We can definitely see that the LME copper stocks are at highest level since June of last year. We are right now at 230,225 tons. Just a short note on aluminium. Cash aluminium on the LME has flipped to a $10.50 premium against the 3-month contract. That's from a $20 discount 2 weeks ago. So that is definitely pointing for aluminium a tighter supply of a quickly deliverable metal. That's maybe also one of the reasons why the aluminium price went pretty up today. It's the biggest gainer with 1.7% plus. The 3-month price is trading at $2,528 this evening. Zinc is almost unchanged, trading at $2,977. Nickel has gained about 0.6%, trading at 19,455. All eyes are on course if or when the nickel price will be able to reach the level of $20,000 a ton. Let's see. And also lead, 0.3% plus, trading at $2,340. And more than 0.5% for tin. It was trading tonight at 34,405. Let's see what the federal meeting will bring as a stimulus to the market.